Hello, my beauty buddies. I wanted to show you this Too Faced Brow Envy set that I purchased. Now, I've been using this for about a week and I absolutely love it. I've got different brow pencils, powders, I've got kind of one of the kind of tinted waxes, I've got different brow gels, and I've really liked what I have and they've worked well for me. But oh my God, I'm in love with this. And I got it. I can't believe it. I just had to look it up how much I spent for it because it's $39 if you buy it at like Sephora or Ulta or whatever. This was $15 in HauteLook, and I don't think you could go wrong with this. I mean, this is unbelievable. Let me show you what's inside. So it's super cute packaging. It looks like it's a gift. And this came inside of another box. But I just tossed the box because I didn't think I'd do a review on it because I thought, but I love this. So inside of it, it's got little instructions up here, but it comes with tweezers and they work really well. I just actually used one to tweeze a tiny hair. It worked great. A little spoolie brush, and then a very nice little applicator brush. So those little tools are wonderful. Then it comes with two colors of powder. I use this blonde one here, but it also comes with a dark one. And then it has a highlighter here, and it's kind of a very matte, let me see if I can kind of swatch this for you. It's a very matte highlighter. So I don't know if you can really see it that well on me, but it's subtle, but it does work. It's wonderful. And then this here is a wax. So you've got a blonde powder, a darker powder, you've got a wax, and then you also have a little highlighter here. And then I was using that, I was thinking that was so great, and I thought, wow, this box is so fat. Why is that? And then look at this. Inside, there's also a little brow pencil, and I guess this is just a universal brow pencil. I actually hadn't even needed to use it yet. This other stuff all worked so well, but I probably really should. But it's a little bit dark for me, and I haven't been doing giant dramatic eyebrows. So I'm trying to kind of buff it out here a little bit so you can see, but I think that for me this is probably too dark, but it doesn't matter because the other stuff works so great. And then there's little stencils in here to do different brow shapes if you want to do that. So these are the three little brow templates if you want to basically stencil your eyebrows on. Now, I probably am not going to use these, and this is a little dark for me, but I honestly, $15, this is fabulous. It's everything I need for my eyebrows in one spot. So that is wonderful. I mean, I think this is definitely worth the $39 if you can't find it on HauteLook or on sale or something. So just wanted to show this to you. I think it's fantastic. Oh, and then these instructions here, they will tell you, how to use the stencil if you want to use the stencil, which order they think that you should do things in, and how to use them. So I think this is a huge win. If it's ever on HauteLook again, I'll put an alert out because I love this. I seriously just threw it in my basket thinking, I'll just give this a try, and I absolutely love it. So let me know if you've used this and what you think of it, because I'm a huge fan. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day or evening wherever you are.